Ness-ana TV.
Hello friends, welcome back to the class. Today in our science class we'll be making rainbow and it is called the walking water. Walking water. Now let's talk about the things we'll be needing. We need 7 cups, kitchen roll or paper towel, colors red, yellow and blue, and water. Now this is our cup. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 cups. The next thing is to fill them up with water. We fill 1, we leave 2 and go to 3, we fill it up, we leave 4 and go to 5, and then we fill 7. The rest we leave empty. We'll make sure it's filled up, and then we get our paper towel or kitchen roll. We make sure it's up to 6 and 6. There you go. We fold. We fold the rest, and then we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 kitchen towels. The next thing is to add our colors. We start with red. Blue. We move to yellow. And the last one and the next one is red. We have red, blue, yellow, and red. Very good. The next thing is to insert our paper towel. We insert from the red to the empty one, from the empty one to the blue one, from the blue to the empty one, empty to yellow, yellow to empty, and then empty to red. Can you see the water working? The next thing is you watch. Can you see the yellow? The yellow is walking down to the empty one to make a rainbow. Can you see that? Remember, you mix yellow and blue to make green. Ooh. And this is what we call the walking water, because it moves from one paper towel to the other, and then you have different colors. Very good, boys and girls, you've done a great job. That will be the end of our today's science class. See you next time.